Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use word weights in Midjourney AI. First of all, you're going to type out a random prompt without word weights. After typing out the prompt, just wait for it to generate. After it's done generating, just observe the image and you can use the word weights on things that you want to add more or you want to remove from the image or maybe reduce from the image. Now we can see that the buses are in front and we want to put them to the back and try not to make them the subject of the image. So what we're going to do is copy the prompt, type /imagine again and paste it here. But this time, without pressing enter, you're going to put word weights on whatever you don't want or whatever you want to increase. So for example, the city scene, we want to add more of the city, so add 2 columns after the word and the default word weight is 1, so we can put 1.5 here. And for the zombie invasion, we want more zombies, so we can add the word weight of 2. And we want less buses, so you can add 0.5 in the broken buses word weight. After that, just hit generate and wait for it to create your image. After it's done generating, you can look at the effect that our word weights added on the image. As you can see, it added more zombies as we increased it from the default word weight of 1 and instead added 1.5. And we can see that it reduced the buses or maybe even got rid of them completely because we changed the word weight to 0.5, and it added more buildings as we changed the word weight of city to 1.5. Now we can try using word weights with a different scene. Now here we can add word weights, and for the high tech we can add word weight of 3. For aliens we can keep the default word weight of 1 or 1.5. For flying vehicles we can keep the default word weight of 1, and for the alien planet we can also keep the default word weight of 1. And for the modern we can keep the word weight of 2. Hit generate and wait for it to create your image. Now it's done generating our images. We can take a look here, and in the third one it just generated an astronaut, but it's an AI so we can't expect it to generate perfect results each time, but you can optimize your chances by creating better prompts. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.